Welcome to Data Cleaning Fundamentals. In today's data-driven world, clean data is the foundation of reliable analysis and decision-making. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, understanding the basics of data cleaning is essential. In this video, we'll walk through the core concepts, common challenges, and practical techniques to ensure your data is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. Let's start by exploring what data cleaning is and why it matters so much in every industry that relies on data. Data cleaning, sometimes called data cleansing, refers to the process of identifying and correcting errors or inconsistencies in datasets. This step is crucial before any meaningful analysis can be performed. Dirty data can lead to misleading results, wasted resources, and poor business decisions. By cleaning your data, you ensure that your analysis is based on accurate and trustworthy information. Let's look at some typical issues you might encounter in raw data and how cleaning helps resolve them. Raw data often contains a variety of problems, such as missing values, duplicate records, inconsistent formatting, and outliers. These issues can arise from manual data entry errors, system glitches, or merging datasets from different sources. For example, you might find dates written in different formats, or names spelled differently for the same person. Recognizing these common issues is the first step toward effective data cleaning, setting the stage for more accurate and reliable analysis. Clean data is the backbone of trustworthy analytics. When data is free from errors and inconsistencies, it leads to more accurate models, better business insights, and improved decision-making. On the other hand, unclean data can result in costly mistakes, such as targeting the wrong customers or making faulty predictions. By investing time in data cleaning, you're setting yourself up for success in any data-driven project. Structured workflow helps make data cleaning more efficient and thorough. Typically, the process starts with data inspection, followed by identifying and handling missing values, correcting errors, standardizing formats, and finally, validating the clean data. Each step builds on the previous one, ensuring that no issues are overlooked. Let's break down each stage of the data cleaning workflow to understand how they contribute to the overall process. First step in data cleaning is inspecting your dataset. This means taking a close look at the data to understand its structure, types, and any obvious issues. You might use summary statistics, visualizations, or simple browsing to spot anomalies. By thoroughly inspecting your data, you can prioritize which problems to tackle first and plan your cleaning strategy effectively. Missing values are one of the most common data issues. They can occur for many reasons, such as incomplete surveys or system errors. There are several ways to handle missing data, including removing rows, filling in values with averages or medians, or using more advanced imputation techniques. The best approach depends on the context and the importance of the missing information. Duplicate records can skew your analysis and lead to incorrect conclusions. Identifying and removing duplicates is a key part of data cleaning. Most data tools offer functions to find and delete duplicate rows based on specific columns. It's important to check carefully, as sometimes what looks like a duplicate may actually be a valid entry with subtle differences. Errors in data can take many forms, from typos and misspellings to incorrect values. Correcting these errors often involves cross-checking with original sources, using validation rules, or applying automated correction tools. Consistent and accurate data entry standards help prevent errors from occurring in the first place, but cleaning is always necessary to catch what slips through. Standardizing data formats ensures consistency across your dataset. This might involve converting dates to a single format, making text lowercase, or ensuring numbers use the same decimal separator. Standardization makes it easier to analyze and compare data, especially when merging datasets from different sources. After cleaning, it's important to validate your data to ensure all issues have been addressed. This can involve running summary statistics again, checking for outliers, or even sampling records for manual review. Validation helps confirm that your data is now accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis or modeling. There are many tools available for data cleaning, ranging from spreadsheet software like Excel to specialized platforms such as OpenRefine, Trifacta, or programming languages like Python and R. Each tool offers different features, so the best choice depends on your dataset size, complexity, and your own technical skills. Familiarizing yourself with these tools can greatly speed up the cleaning process. Excel is a popular choice for basic data cleaning tasks. It offers functions for removing duplicates, filtering data, and applying formulas to correct errors. While it's best suited for small to medium-sized datasets, Excel's user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners and professionals alike. Python, with libraries like Pandas and NumPy, is a powerful tool for cleaning large and complex datasets. You can automate repetitive tasks, handle missing values, and perform advanced transformations with just a few lines of code. Python is especially useful when dealing with big data or when you need to integrate cleaning into a larger data pipeline. R is another popular programming language for data analysis and cleaning. With packages like Deepler and Titter, R makes it easy to manipulate, filter, and reshape data. R is especially favored in academic and research settings where statistical analysis is a key focus. OpenRefine is a free, open-source tool designed specifically for cleaning messy data. It offers powerful features for transforming, clustering, and reconciling data, making it a favorite among data professionals. OpenRefine's intuitive interface allows users to quickly spot and fix inconsistencies in large datasets. Automation can save time and reduce errors in data cleaning. By writing scripts or using built-in automation features and tools, you can standardize repetitive tasks and ensure consistency. Automation is especially valuable when you need to clean similar datasets regularly or handle large volumes of data. Data profiling involves analyzing your dataset to understand its structure, content, and quality. This step helps you identify patterns, anomalies, and potential issues before cleaning begins. Profiling provides valuable insights that guide your cleaning strategy and help prioritize tasks. Outliers are data points that differ significantly from others in your dataset. They can result from errors or represent rare but important cases. Deciding how to handle outliers depends on your analysis goals. Sometimes you may remove them, other times you may investigate further or adjust your analysis to account for them. Consistency checks ensure that data follows the same rules and formats throughout your dataset. For example, making sure all phone numbers have the same number of digits or all dates follow the same format. Consistency is key for merging data from different sources and for accurate analysis. Categorical data like gender or product categories often needs special attention. You may need to standardize category names, merge similar categories, or encode them for analysis. Proper handling of categorical data ensures that your analysis is meaningful and avoids confusion caused by inconsistent labels. Numerical data may have issues like incorrect units, out-of-range values, or inconsistent decimal separators. Cleaning numerical data involves checking for these problems, converting units if necessary, and ensuring all values are within expected ranges. This step is vital for accurate calculations and modeling. Text data often contains extra spaces, inconsistent capitalization, or unwanted characters. Cleaning text data involves trimming spaces, converting to lowercase, and removing special symbols. Clean text data is easier to analyze, especially for tasks like text mining or natural language processing. Date and time data can be tricky with different formats and time zones. Cleaning this type of data involves standardizing formats, handling missing or ambiguous dates, and converting time zones if necessary. Accurate date and time data is crucial for time-based analysis and reporting. Data transformation involves changing the structure or values of your data to make it more useful for analysis. This might include aggregating data, creating new calculated fields, or reshaping tables. Transformation is often part of the cleaning process, helping you prepare data for specific analytical tasks. Sometimes, you need to combine data from multiple sources. Merging datasets requires careful attention to matching keys, consistent formats, and handling missing or conflicting values. Properly merged data provides a more complete view for analysis, but mistakes can introduce new errors. Sometimes, a single column contains multiple pieces of information like full names or addresses. Splitting columns helps separate this data into more useful parts. Most data tools offer functions to split columns based on delimiters, making your data easier to analyze and work with. In some cases, you may want to combine information from multiple columns into one. This is useful for creating unique identifiers or summary fields. Combining columns is a straightforward task in most data tools and helps simplify your dataset for analysis. Encoding is the process of converting data into a different format, often for analysis or modeling. For example, you might encode categorical variables as numbers or use one-hot encoding for machine learning. Proper encoding ensures your data is compatible with analytical tools and algorithms. Validation rules help ensure that data meets specific criteria, such as valid email formats or acceptable value ranges. Setting up validation rules during data entry or cleaning helps catch errors early and maintain high data quality throughout your workflow. Keeping a record of your cleaning steps is important for transparency and reproducibility. Documentation helps others understand your process and allows you to repeat or adjust steps as needed. Good documentation is a hallmark of professional data work. Following best practices in data cleaning ensures consistent, high-quality results. These include starting with a backup of your raw data, cleaning in stages, validating each step, and documenting your process. Adopting these habits will make your data cleaning more efficient and reliable. Data cleaning can be challenging, especially with large or complex datasets. Common challenges include dealing with inconsistent formats, missing information, and integrating data from multiple sources. Being aware of these challenges helps you plan your cleaning process and choose the right tools and techniques. Cleaning big data requires scalable tools and efficient workflows. Automation, parallel processing, and cloud-based platforms can help manage the volume and complexity. The principles remain the same, but the scale demands more robust solutions and careful planning. In real-world projects, data cleaning is often iterative. You may need to revisit earlier steps as new issues are discovered. Collaboration with domain experts can help resolve ambiguities and ensure the cleaned data meets business needs. Flexibility and attention to detail are key to successful data cleaning. Ethical considerations are important in data cleaning. It's crucial to avoid introducing bias or altering data in ways that misrepresent reality. Transparency, documentation, and adherence to data governance policies help maintain ethical standards throughout the cleaning process. When cleaning data that contains personal or sensitive information, privacy must be a top priority. Techniques like anonymization and masking help protect individual identities. Always follow relevant regulations and best practices to ensure data privacy and security. Clean data is especially important for machine learning. Algorithms rely on accurate, consistent data to learn patterns and make predictions. Data cleaning for machine learning often involves additional steps like feature engineering and scaling to prepare data for modeling. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a retail company with customer data from multiple sources. The data contains duplicates, inconsistent formats, and missing values. By applying the steps we've discussed, inspection, cleaning, standardization, and validation, the company can create a reliable customer database for targeted marketing and improved service. Data cleaning isn't a one-time task. As new data is collected, ongoing cleaning is necessary to maintain quality. Setting up automated checks and regular reviews helps catch issues early and keeps your data in top shape for analysis and decision-making. Data cleaning often involves collaboration between data professionals, domain experts, and business stakeholders. Working together ensures that clean data meets the needs of all users and supports accurate analysis. Communication and teamwork are essential for successful data cleaning projects. Documenting your data cleaning process is crucial for transparency and reproducibility. Good documentation includes a record of all steps taken, tools used, and decisions made. This makes it easier to audit your work, share with others, and repeat the process in future projects. To recap, data cleaning is a vital step in any data project. It involves inspecting, correcting, standardizing, and validating data to ensure accuracy and consistency. Using the right tools and following best practices helps you overcome challenges and produce high-quality data for analysis. Once your data is clean, you're ready to move on to analysis, visualization, or modeling. Clean data provides a solid foundation for all these tasks, ensuring that your results are reliable and actionable. In future videos, we'll explore how to analyze and visualize your clean data for deeper insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey through data cleaning fundamentals. Remember, clean data is the key to trustworthy analysis and informed decision-making. By mastering these basics, you'll be well equipped to tackle any data project with confidence. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques in our upcoming videos.